So Nvidia has found a way to end this miserable year with an awesome tech launch. Nvidia has finally stuck to us budget gamers and released a graphics card that could be our next graphics card. A lot of us. Well, not mine probably. I don't have that much money. No problem. So the card is RTX 3060 Ti, which is a budget $400 graphics card, which translates into 35,000 Indian rupees. It's like technically a very good alternative of RTX 3070 because it's somewhat other lacks in between for 10 1440p gaming. But when you turned on like things, I would say productivity stuff, it gives like it trade blows with RTX 3070 somewhat or other. If you consider the price difference, like still it's cheaper. The thing is that it's cheaper. And the thing is that RTX 3060 Ti also trade blows with the previous generation RTX 2080 Super, which is one of the top end cards of the previous generation, which is a $700 graphics card. So it's actually $300 cheaper and still even faster. Quite impressive, by the way, Nvidia. Good job, Jensen man. And it's to be believed that the boost clock is to be believed that it's because of some higher boost clocks of full whopping 15 megahertz higher than the previous generation RTX 2070 Super. But like jokes aside, the thing is that it's got double the CUDA cores of the last generation RTX 2060 Super's comparison going through them, and it has got some all those like tensor cores, RT cores, and all that good stuff sprinkled upon it to lure us budget guys into them. But well, nevertheless, let's talk about the some other good stuff. The thing is that it comes with an 8 gigabytes of 256-bit GDDR6 VRAM and a whopping 200 watt of TDP and power requirement. And well, it could be whopping for some of you, not it could be whopping for basically for those who cheaped out on their power supplies when they build a PC or who are trying to upgrade a pre-build. Like, but till the time you have a decent power supply and it has an 8-pin PCIe connector, you are pretty much safe to and good to go. And well, given the trade it's compared to be with RTX 3070 because I'm calling it alternative. So the thing is that its boost clocks are a bit low, but nevertheless it also comes with 20% less CUDA cores. But the thing is that both of them have the same 8 GB of the VRAM, which I consider as a bottleneck here for RTX 3070 because somewhat or other, if RTX 3070 would have 10 or 12 gigabytes of VRAM here, or like that GDDR6X VRAM with it, then it could have been shown like some better performance productivity also. But like it trade blows with productivity, and it is what it is. That's what Nvidia provided with us, and it's actually better for those prosumer category people who are strict on budget. Like you could leave that RTX 3070 and come to RTX 3060 Ti. Well, you could check various other like things, so how which one works better with your software. But I believe that RTX 3060 Ti would be a good choice for even for gaming, for your video rendering and the prosumer stuffs, for everything technically. And so if we continue to this, like the thing is that because the secret spice of this power is, as I told you earlier, that RTX 3060 Ti is a cut down chip of RTX 3070, and it has the cooler of RTX 3070 which gives a headroom, thermal headroom. So this leads to higher clock speeds as compared to RTX 3070, like higher boost clock, I would say, to be particular. But this leads to higher boost clock speeds as compared to RTX 3070 in the similar applications as respected to RTX 3070, which is like something really really classic, and it's something that's really really necessary. The thing is that it, as I already told you, it follows the classic MPS trend of sucking all the power they get, and it has a peak power consumption of 230 watts. Still, like it's just manageable by your 8-pin PCIe connector, so don't be afraid if you have one. Just go out and buy if you can get. And the thing is that it's out of stock. Like I think like it's out of stock everywhere. Like if you live in US, you can go out, you can go and buy at Best Buy and Micro Centers. But if you are in like any other part of world, especially in India, you need to go and find the authorized retailers by Nvidia and go to their website and check and out. And like there hardly a chance for finding anyone. So like this, that's the only hiccup that's been like in this year for the all the launches here. The thing is out of stock everywhere, and like it's been selling as hell on eBay. The prices are like more than double of it. So like I would just like to request every and each and every PC gamer here to wait, to wait, to wait. Don't give those bloody scalpers the money they wish. No, we need to break this trend. Like wait, man, wait. Few months of PC gaming, enjoy them with your 20 series or 10 series or 9 or like whatever cards, and wait another for a couple of months. Like we have been waiting in this whole year in our houses. in lockdown. So like, I would just like to request this. So wait, and please wait. So thank you, and that's all for today. Peace out.